Hi guys, the last kit review for a inbox kit review for a micro wings from Revell, 144 scale. This one's a P-40E Warhawk. Such a beautiful little aircraft to look at. So let's get into it and see what we find. The instructions are a little bit lengthy. Standard disclaimer. Let's have a look. It's a nice little piece of box art. This instruction obviously follows the standard format. So we actually, this aircraft is actually quite colour intensive. 7 colours. Nice simple build. And such a nice simple P-40 Warhawk standard colour scheme. Brilliant. Let's have a quick look at the decal sheet. Comes with a little protective slide. This nice brilliant blue and a very nice white too, and the yellow is gorgeous on the sheet. I can't wait to see how that turns out on the actual aircraft. All the decals look nice and clean and neat, and nice registration too. I can't complain about that. Let's have a look at the box. Let's have a look what the sprue contains. Might be time to change my blades too. Oh, that's a fail. Canopy is nice and detailed. So with a reveal so the pilot can look out, there's a nice little gap there in the canopy. Very nice. Just a little bit of flashing in the corner, but that's nothing that you can't change. Standard micro wings stand. And let's have a look at the main sprue. 3-piece wings, so all complete on the bottom. There's nice little holes inside the undercarriage wheel well too, to mount the undercarriage. Undercarriage is just there. Fuselage is obviously in 2 halves. Nice little bit of detail there that might not come up on the camera. Nice little antenna just there. Prime candidate for the nice little bit of string across the top for the HF antenna. Feels pretty standard, no real flashing issues. Nice little single piece drop tank. Overall a pretty nice, crisp, clean kit. I'm well impressed. Thanks for watching guys.